Hello and welcome back to Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Wilson, North Carolina. Thank you for taking a minute of your day to look at our 2020 Jeep Compass. This is the Latitude package and it is four-wheel drive. The color you're seeing is called Velvet Red Pearl. Hey, if you're looking to get into the Jeep family, this is the ticket in right here. You're going to save a whole lot of money, save a whole lot of gas. This thing is a great little SUV. Take a look on the inside. Easy to keep, clean seats. Oh, I wanted to show you real quick, by the way, it does have remote start and keyless entry, along with power windows, door locks, and mirrors. But let me show you up here real quick. That right there, my friends, is a full front to back sunroof. As time is running out, let me jump in here and show you. It is push button start, and as everything's coming up, so you got the backup camera, there's your four-wheel drive controls, and you do have the Sirius XM radio. Hey, if you're looking for a great SUV, you found it. It's right here at Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Wilson, North Carolina. We're located at 3700 Raleigh Road Parkway West. Hey, thanks for the time. We'll see you soon.